It's just like a little miniature version. It's alive! Well, not yet, actually, because it doesn't have a battery. Then I just made up, this is using the Power Pack A, like I've had, and then I just kind of came up with this design and kind of just totally, like, poorly built. Or not poorly built, but, well, it is pretty poorly built.
Okay, stop.
This time. Good evening. We're going to test out this little guy.
I'm always eating when we do this.
Yes. Yes. Well, I'll go ahead. You can try it. Just go.
Oh my gosh.
I'm actually going to up all the...
But the question is, are you gonna up the ante?
I mean, boy. Oh, that flies beautifully. Oh no.
It hit the pole.
What time is it? Idea time. It's always idea time. Check this out. This line that you see right here, this can be made out of Kydex, and then that's really all, that would be the whole frame. At that angle, but the rest are going in at the top. That is hopefully what will keep the shape of this guy, which is actually just a cardboard target.
It's about 5 feet, about 8 inches. I'm not totally sure, but I think everything that I just filmed was like sideways. What is this? It is blinking! Okay, so here's the short basic deal, because I don't have how much space. This receiver didn't work, and I think it works now because it's supposed to blink, and it's blinking, and I'm so happy, and I'm amazing. I'm amazed with that it works, because I just cleaned up all the contacts, and then I actually took a little pick and I cleaned them up and got rid of any corrosion, and then I soldered this antenna back on, and I did all that, and so I'm not sure which thing made it work, and I used my super cheap soldering iron from Harbor Freight and free solder that I got from Charles. Thank you, Charles. And I'm like, whoa, because I just got a receiver, and I'm excited because I made it work. So I'm awesome. I'm a mechanic. I'm a real guy who makes stuff do what the stuff does. Because I'm going to take this receiver and put it in the wizard, and I'm going to watch it through the goggles too. And I got another camera here to put on the bat. I'm having a lot of fun. Unfortunately, oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. Chubby little baby bat. I just flew a whole pack without crashing, which is pretty crazy. Nothing crazy. Okay, I realized I just contradicted myself. What I mean is, it's surprising to me that it did not hit anything, but I wasn't doing anything that would cause me to hit anything. Yeah, so that's cool, and that's what the camera angle tilt looks like for now. It's working pretty good. I wasn't really going like max speed or anything, but some pretty decent speeds, just trying to get better at turning, and it's going pretty good actually. So yeah, sweet. Those are the high throws, low throws. This is exciting. Here we go. Now, see, I don't know why it does that. Whoa! Look at it go! Oh! Okay, so that took a little hit there. So it wants to fly like really fast. I think the reason why is because it's really nose heavy. So I'm gonna reconfigure a few electronics here, mainly the battery. Wow. Okay. It's very, very touchy. Okay, so I'm at about... It just needs a lot, like quite a bit of throttle. Like I'm at right about maybe 50-60% throttle. But look at it go. It actually... It's just like a little miniature version. Oh, nope, can't do any aerobatics with it. Or at least not yet. Really wants to go down fast. Like I think it's like way too nose heavy. Whoa. Alright, just couldn't stay up. Alright. Okay, the CG is definitely too far aft. I don't really know what I'm going to do about that. Alright, well it does circles really well. I'm not even doing anything. Just like that. About 60-ish% power. Wow, you really got to keep the power on there. Very power sensitive. But then if you put too much power on it, so that's full power right there. And it just wants to do like little loops basically. Ooh, okay. So we definitely need to put in a little bit of, oh, that was it. That was it for the motor. So, it does fly though. I think if I could lighten it up a little bit, maybe even get a smaller 2-cell battery, this thing could work. It could. Eddie's plane went down somewhere around here. There's a lot of corn out here. Took a chunk out of the prop right there, so that's the bummer. Doesn't have any of the FPV stuff on there right now. It balances just a touch nose down. Yep, nope, it's not gonna happen. That's kind of a bad thing. Basically, I want to see if I can get another surface area to provide extra lift and see how much more slowly it can fly. Oh my, okay. Like that. Okay, haha. Ah, alright, it flies. Interesting. Interesting. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is really cool actually. A little tricky to control. Has to be going kind of fast. It looks awesome. It really wants to kind of, it's pretty sensitive. Of course, I have it on the high throws right now. I think I just need to get better at managing the throttle is what it is. In terms of keeping it from ballooning under certain times. That is actually like really cool. It does have a tendency to roll, but I think once I fix the put slightly larger, well, what would be end caps on there, I think it should be okay. It does tend to do this like extreme roll thing though. Which I'm not sure if it can be corrected from. So it's basically like a super sport bat. Ah, now it's too far back. Oh wow. Okay.